Hi friends, in this video let us solve a STEM-related question asked in GATE 2007 Triple E paper. The question is, if u of t and r of t denote the unit step and unit ramp function, and u of t dash r of t cross r of t their convolution, what is the value of u of t plus 1 r of t minus 2? So convolution. So they asked convolution between u of t plus 1 star of r of t minus 2. So what I do here is I take Laplace transform for both of this, right? So what will it become? Convolution will become multiplication. Then I take inverse Laplace, then I will get the original answer. So this will be becoming L of u of t plus 1. If I take convolution, in Laplace domain it will become multiplication L of r of t minus 2, right? So L of u of t plus 1 is, for the unit step it is 1 by s Laplace transform, it is shifting, so e power s dot. For unit ramp it is 1 by s square. For r of t minus 2 it is e power minus 2s. So what it will become, it is 1 by s cube e power minus s. So 1 by s cube I can write as, so this is what L. So if I take inverse Laplace of these things, I will get the original u of t plus 1 r of t minus 2. So if I want u of t plus 1 star of r of t minus 2, I need to take inverse Laplace. For this I take inverse Laplace transform. So we know for Tn, it is n factorial. Laplace transform of Tn is equal to n factorial divided by 1 by s plus n plus 1, s power n plus 1. So here we have s cube. So s cube means it is 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1 L of t square. It should be like that. So 1 by s cube means it is 1 by 2 L of t square, like that. So 1 by s power 2 plus 1. Right? So what is the thing? So I get 1 by s cube is nothing but this 1 by 2 will go that side, 1 by 2, right? T squared u of t. But here we have e power minus s. E power minus means it should have been shifted. So 1 by 2 t minus 1 square u of t. Right? So the answer is 1 by 2 t minus 1 square u of t minus 1. Option C is a right answer. So this is correct. Right? So this is the way we have to solve the answer. So otherwise what you have to do, you may get how this 1 by 2 will come. You do the one thing. So you put multiply and divide by 2, because 2 by 1 by s cube is 2 by 1 by s cube is Laplace transform of t squared, right? So what you are doing, I need 1 by Laplace transform of t squared. For that I need 2 by 1 by s cube. So if I 2 by s cube means I will get t squared will come. So this area will be t squared. I multiply and divide by 2. So 2 by s cube is nothing but t squared. Then this 1 by 2 will be here, right? So 1 by 2 t squared u of t. So 1 by 2 t minus 1. For shifting, you put t minus 1 u of t minus 1. That's the answer. Thank you.